Little tropical storm happening right now. On my way back, caught in that little storm I was showing you on the ocean. But it's already going away. It's raining. You see how the ground is wet right here. That's already passing. Tropical storms are that way. They come and they go very quickly. Such a beautiful night. Oh, I wish you were here. Over and over, I wish you were here. I wish upon a star that you'd be here soon. Sorry, I burped. Apologize. Get yanked all over the place here by the dogs. Trying to get home in the rain. Cute. Adorable. Awesome. Good stuff. Bikers coming by. It's a non-stop event. Having people come and go. Hey. Still walking to get to the house, just a little bit further. Right where that white car is. See where that, probably can't see it, but there's a siren. It alerts everybody up there. Goodness gracious, guys, you're pulling so hard. Oi.